In the dynamic landscape of project management, effective collaboration isn't always confined to your internal team. There are often instances where you need to bring in external stakeholders, clients, vendors, consultants, or even temporary contractors to contribute to a project without giving them full access to your entire internal world. This is where the concept of guest access becomes invaluable in project management tools, and Basecamp, a popular project management and team communication software, handles this very well. So what exactly can guests do in Basecamp? The simple answer is that guests can participate in specific parts of your Basecamp projects, allowing for focused collaboration without overwhelming them or compromising your internal security. It's about providing just enough access to get the job done, nothing more, nothing less. This controlled access is a cornerstone of efficient project management when external parties are involved. Let's break down the typical capabilities of a guest in Basecamp, keeping in mind that these are generally configurable by the project administrator to some extent, allowing you to tailor their experience. Seeing what's relevant. Limited visibility. The primary characteristic of a guest's experience in Basecamp is limited visibility. Unlike full team members who can see all projects and internal communications, guests are only invited to specific projects. This means they will only see the projects they've been explicitly added to, keeping their focus clear and preventing information overload. Within those projects, their visibility is further controlled. They generally won't see internal discussions or private files that are not directly relevant to their involvement. This focused view ensures that guests are not distracted by extraneous information and can concentrate on their assigned tasks, contributing to discussions, message boards, and campfires. One of the most valuable aspects of guest access in Basecamp is their ability to participate in discussions. Guests can view and post messages on the project's message board, which is excellent for formal announcements, updates, and structured conversations related to the project. They can also participate in campfires, Basecamp's real-time chat feature, allowing for more informal and immediate communication. This enables seamless dialogue between your internal team and external collaborators, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding project progress, questions, and decisions. Imagine a client needing clarification on a design mockup. They can jump into the relevant campfire and get an immediate response, fostering faster problem solving. Staying on track. To-dos and schedules. Guests can actively engage with a project's to-dos and schedules. If a task is assigned to a guest, they can see it on their to-do list, mark it as complete, and add comments or attachments to it. This is crucial for delegating specific actions to external parties and tracking their progress. Similarly, guests can view the project schedule, allowing them to see important deadlines and milestones. This helps ensure that external contributors are aware of critical dates and can plan their work accordingly, integrating their efforts seamlessly with the overall project timeline. For instance, a freelance copywriter can see their assigned articles and their respective deadlines and mark them complete once finished. Sharing and accessing files. Docs and files. The Docs and Files section is another area where guests can actively participate. They can view, download, and comment on files and documents that have been shared within the project. Depending on the permissions granted, they might also be able to upload their own files. This is essential for sharing crucial project assets, such as creative briefs, design drafts, or client feedback, with external collaborators. It centralizes all relevant documentation, preventing the need for endless email attachments and ensuring everyone is working with the most up-to-date versions of documents. What guests typically cannot do. The boundaries. While guests can participate in many aspects of a Basecamp project, it's equally important to understand what they typically cannot do. These limitations are crucial for maintaining internal control and privacy. Create new projects. Guests cannot initiate new projects in your Basecamp account. Their access is confined to existing projects they've been invited to. Access other projects. Unless specifically invited, guests cannot see or access other projects within your Basecamp account. This ensures your internal projects remain private. Manage account settings. Guests cannot modify account-wide settings, billing information, or user permissions. Their role is purely collaborative within a defined project scope. Add or remove people. Guests cannot invite or remove other users from a project or the Basecamp account. This control remains with the internal team. See internal discussions, unless tagged while they can participate in public discussions. Private discussions or messages not explicitly shared with them remain hidden. The power of controlled collaboration. The ability to granularly control guest access in Basecamp is a powerful feature for project managers. It allows you to improve client communication, keep clients in the loop on project progress, gather feedback efficiently, and foster a sense of transparency. Streamline vendor management, share requirements, track deliverables, and communicate effectively with external service providers. Onboard temporary staff. Provide new or temporary team members with access to only the necessary project information